I think you got her. Start turning the other way. Crank her back to the left, yep. She's gonna be close. I think you'll miss it. Give her a little gas. Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. 10 feet. 8 foot, keep coming. That's good. That's like you done that before.
Yeah, I used to track hers when I was young. The problem, I loaded it. It's gonna roll right off of it.
It's got enough friction on it, don't it?
Yeah. I know we set the push.
Man, welcome back to Walden's World. Check this out. Look what the cat dragged in. Been talking to this dude for a week or so. This has been at 2 shops. We won't name one of them because one's in town. The other one's Chinese place, so he got what he got, and apparently his motor's knocking worse now than what it was. So brought it here, and I need to videotape this myself because boy, we started out with just the motor knocking, and we need to check the winch on this. This front brake don't work. The emergency brake don't work. Huh?
Knife these.
I don't have a knife on me.
Alright, do you got anything?
No, go find a lighter or something. He put new seats in it. Oh yeah, ignition switch is bad. Of course, the motor's knocking. Emergency brake. And that might have been it, but this is one of those Sand Spyder 250. Sand Spyder 250, and it's blue. Joyner, I think is what it's called. Yep, bam. So it'll be the first time I worked on one of these, but it's just a motor. And I did ask him, I started wondering, it's a 2-cylinder. I said, you sure it ain't just running on 1 cylinder? Because that's a possibility. If it was having to push and pull the other cylinder, it'd make an awful sound. Guess we need to figure out where that really goes. But this is going to be fun to work on. It's getting kind of dark and cold out here. Got to finish that Yamaha here in a minute too, but I think that's all he said right now. So it's going to be a sweet little ride. He's an elderly man. This will be for sale. If you got a parasail, he'll trade it straight up. So anyway, y'all like, subscribe. This will be the Joyner Spyder project. Pretty freaking sweet. He paid high dollar for them seats, probably doubled the price of this thing. But all right, I look forward to this. I can't wait to drive it. I live about 5 seconds from the woods, so it'll be pretty sweet. And all right, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. We'll make a playlist series out of this one.